Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 3.5 points. Right now, this futures are sitting at 26.96.5 per contract. All in all, the futures are a little bit higher, but yesterday we had a pretty roaring and soaring up move in the market, and anytime you get that, the next day is usually a little bit more subdued. So we'll see what we get today. Again, it is the start of the new year. January, always a tricky month, especially we'll see if Santa Claus comes to town one more day today, and we'll see how this all plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, and we're going to start the day off with Intel. INTC is the ticker symbol. Stock is getting hit today. It looks like there's a flaw in some of their chips. So Intel getting hit a little bit today. The stock did close at 46.85. It's now trading at 45.28 a share. I think today, if Intel can get down to around the 42.60 level, that is a great bounce area for a day trade. So keep that on the radar. 42.60. I'm going to have other levels ready for Intel today. If it does trade down lower, I'm not sure how low this will go. But again, on the back of the Intel flaw, you're going to see AMD is roaring and soaring to the upside. So AMD trading right now at $11.75. Stock closed at $10.98. That's a good pop. I am seeing resistance right around the $12.40 level, 12.39 area, and I'll show it to you here. You're going to see that 200-day moving average should be a very, very big resistance level. There will also be some resistance at $12, but again, 12.40 should be the bigger level of resistance when tagged. So again, keep that on the radar today. We'll see if AMD can work its way up towards that 12.40 level. There could be an intraday short trade at that spot. Also, we're seeing other chips move up on the Intel news. Nvidia is one of them. Nvidia right now trading at 204.70. This closed at 199.30. So this is a pretty big pop here for Nvidia. When I look at this chart, I have to think, if the stock can close somewhere above this level, then it probably wants to make a test of its recent highs. Right now, Nvidia holding up very well ahead of the opening bell. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings, and we'll see if we get any patterns there. Micron also moving today. This is trading at $44.56, closed at $43.67. So Micron on the move today. Good little pop there. We'll look at this one. There's still a lot of resistance around the 45 level. Next up here, let's take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. Ticker symbol is DKS. Stock right now, I believe, was upgraded. It is trading at $30.41 right now, just going sideways here. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm not thinking there's a whole lot to do just yet, but nonetheless, Dick's Sporting Goods showing a little bit of morning strength on the back of an upgrade. Another upgrade out here is E-Trade Financial. ETFC is a ticker symbol. Stock is trading at 51. There's no real volume behind it. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But I will say this much. The chart on E-Trade is solid, and that's a chart that tells me it wants to go higher. So again, when I look at the bigger time frame, meaning the daily chart, the weekly charts, this is a bullish pattern. So E-Trade with a nice little pop today, and we'll see how that goes. But I have to give that the upside bias from here. Looking over at Expedia, EXPE as a ticker symbol here. Stock is also upgraded. No real volume behind there, no conviction, but it is trading at 124.55 in very light trade. Stock did close at 121.42. There's not a lot I'm looking to do with it yet, but we'll keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Stock that is getting hit today is MGI. It looks like that is trading at $12.21, closed at $13.31 yesterday. It looks like there's a terminated merger between MGI and Ant Financial. So MoneyGram and Ant Financial, which is owned by Alibaba, that merger has been terminated. So again, that stock is getting hit today, and we'll see how it plays out. That could be in play at some point. Right now, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. Let's see how it settles out once the opening bell rings. Here we have Dominion. That is trading down. It looks like they are going into a merger agreement with Scana. So Dominion getting hit today. The only level I like for Dominion, believe it or not, is going to be around $70 or Pierce of 70. If the stock gets down there, I do like it today. On the flip side, SCG. which is being acquired, or they're going to be a merger actually. So, but this is trading up. This closed at $38.83, now trading at $47.75. So great move for SGG, which is Scana. So SCG on the move today on the merge. I believe it is a all-share agreement, but we'll see how it plays out. Here we have W, which is Wayfair. Stock right now trading at $78.50. This closed at $81. When I look at the charts here, I don't see a whole lot to do at the moment. This is just a little bit of a sell-off on a downgrade, I believe. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes. But either way, that is down ticking this morning. I'll try to have some levels once the opening bell rings for this. But right now, I'm not seeing anything that strikes me right off the bat here. So we'll see how it plays out. Here we're going to switch gears to gold. Gold is up $1.40 today. Right now trading at $1,317.50 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, this has been on a tear as well. Right now sitting at $124.93. The only problem I have with gold right now is it's very overbought. So again, anytime something's this overbought, it may need to stall out and consolidate before going higher or pull back a little bit. So again, I don't see a whole lot of upside in gold, but I thought that a week ago, and it's gone straight parabolic up to the upside. So again, I could be wrong there, but right now it is too overbought for my liking. Crude oil up 40 cents today to $60.77 a barrel. So oil continues its winning ways. Take a look at the USO today. That's trading at $12.15. So again, oil is up. Gold is up just a touch, and we have the futures up $3.75 ahead of the opening bell. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, or just come on over and start trading alongside of us. We already started the new year off with a bang. So again, we're going to look to keep that going. We're going to have a strong 2018 this year. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, trade right alongside of us. We had a great trading day yesterday, even though it was a light volume day. We're going to look to keep that going today. Lots of opportunities out here. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading session, and we will see you on the charts.